To set Smart Anti-Tracking feature to only active on secret mode on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Samsung Internet app, tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, and then tap Privacy, tap Smart Anti-Tracking, and then select secret mode only. With this setting, the Smart Anti-Tracking feature on the Internet app will only active while you are on the secret mode. When the Smart Anti-Tracking feature is active, your phone will prevent website from seeing your browsing history by deleting cookies to prevent tracker from learning which website you have visited. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.